This is the perfect recipe for a girls' night in, for a romantic dinner, for whenever you need something really creamy. Let's make this cashew and cali Alfredo. I'm Sierra, and first we're gonna start off with our cashew sauce. We're gonna boil these cashews to get them to be nice and creamy a lot faster. And we're gonna actually add some cauliflower. Once the cashews are soft enough, we're gonna add the cauliflower. It's already diced in this one. Boil it on up. Now we're ready to blend. This is actually my first time using the Instant Pot blender, and it actually heats. So I'm adding some coconut milk and my seasonings. So for Alfredo seasonings, you definitely gotta have some black pepper. You definitely gotta have some garlic powder. I'm just giving it a base of seasonings, but I'm going to add more to taste as I go on. I'm also adding some more milk and adding some oil just to loosen it up and let it get all creamy. You see it's heating up. This thing probably could have boiled our cashews and cauliflower, but I just turned it on the regular pulser and just let it get all nice and creamy. You don't want to have any hard cashews in there. You want it to be completely blended. You're gonna saute up your veggies that you want in your pasta. I have some portobello mushrooms that I sliced up. Then we have our thinly sliced bread that we put in the oven to make our little bruschetta. Now we're gonna add our linguine noodles. I like them nice and thick, and really, let's get into this sauce. Like, look at this creamy sauce. We're gonna pour all of it because we want Alfredo that has like a little extra sauce, and you just, it's thick, it's creamy, but it has extra sauce. That's what we need. We need it to be like that. That's what I remember from Alfredo. So we're just adding what we need to add. Add some water. If it gets a little too thick, loosen that up. I added a little oil to give it a little bit more like fat to it. Added some seasonings to taste. Added some spinach at the end just so it wilts a little bit, but it's not completely gone. And y'all, we had a time. This was from a Valentine's Day thing I did with my friends, and y'all, it was such a treat. Like, it was so good. Everything came out so good. Even just the salad and the bruschetta, like, it all just went together so well. It was so nice, and I really think you should try it. If you have a nut allergy though, subscribe to my channel because I have another video coming out that's also a little bit healthier. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.